Hello everybody, this is Jason Anderson with Transworld Business Advisors, and today we're going to go over how to set up your own custom domain name, whether you're using it for training purposes to do a webinar or just to direct traffic directly to your own website. Let me give you an example. I wanted to set up Transworld Southwest. You go to transworldsouthwest.com, and we'll give that a second. And you'll notice that it actually pulls up my own custom Transworld website. So instead of me having to tell somebody to go to transworld or tworld.com / I set up a direct domain name that goes directly to my own Transworld website. Another thing I did from the training standpoint is I set up transworldwebinar.com. What transworldwebinar.com is sending somebody directly to my Fuse meeting when I'm trying to do the online webinar with them. So instead of me having to go and tell them, hey, let's go to this complicated website and send you a link, I can do this from anywhere at any time and directly set up and make sure that they're getting directly to the page I need them to go to. So that's a really cool feature that you can do, and we're going to go over the details of how you do that. So again, you got Transworld Southwest and Transworld Webinar. So those are two pretty cool features. Now how we do this is pretty simple. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Godaddy and you're going to buy a domain name. So this is a very simple process. Let me close out of this. So let's say you just want to get Transworld Dallas. You're going to search for the domain name. The domain name is available. Add it to the cart. You're going to go ahead and check out, finish everything up, and then all you have to do is once you purchase the domain name, we're going to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you're going to see a screen just like this inside of Godaddy. And what we want to do, I recommend using Godaddy. You don't have to, but this tutorial is going to show you how to use Godaddy only. To me, it's the easiest one, the most cost effective. Let's go ahead and hit launch. So notice again from this screen, underneath domains, hit launch. That's going to bring me into the domain manager screen. And let's just go down here to where I have Transworld Southwest. I'm going to click that. Check out the box right here at the top. Forward domain. It's going to pull up the screen just like this, and yours is already going to be blank. So this is what your screen is going to look like. So you go ahead and just put the link that you want it to show right there. And you can do forward only, which just forwards it, or you can do forward with masking. The difference between forward only and forward with masking is pretty simple. Forward only, what's going to happen is when you open up the domain name, it's going to show this website. I do forward with masking because what happens with masking is I can put in my own title, description, and my keywords. And then also you notice at the top it will stay on the domain name transworldsouthwest.com no matter what is clicked on inside of this screen. So this is a pretty cool tip and trick that you can use to just make yourself look more professional. Hopefully get you some new clients. It's a real easy step. The domain name only costs around $10 a year. Hopefully that was helpful. I know we went really fast and we cancel out of this. I'll do it one more time just so you can see. From the domain name page, when you log into your account, you're going to do launch. That's going to bring you to domain manager. Scroll down and find your domain name. Go ahead and click it off. Let's use this one now as an example. Going to do forward domains. So you notice this one is my Fuse meeting that I set up. So this is just a Fuse link that I would normally send out to a client, but obviously this is not something that I can remember or that I can tell somebody over the phone. So you see I do forward with masking. Welcome to the official Transworld webinar hosted by Jason Anderson. Description and details. And this just gives me a much more professional presentation when I'm working with my clients. So again, hopefully this was helpful. This is Jason Anderson with Transworld Business Advisors. Please feel free to contact me via email, phone, or text if you have any questions or concerns. I look forward to your future success.